This weekend at Grey Duck Theater and Coffee House, we have the delightfully funny horror comedy Werewolves Within. We have an equally great special drink this weekend to mark the occasion. We are calling it Hair of the Dog. Almond and sweet cherry are mixed with chocolate to create an amaretto mocktail mocha. We top it off with a dollop of house-made chocolate whipped cream and chocolate sprinkles. Come out this weekend, watch this hilarious movie, and drink this delicious special beverage. We'll see you at Grey Duck.